Hello, welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to draw a beautiful flowing hairstyle. Grab your pencils and let's get started. Begin by sketching an oval for the head. This will serve as the foundation for our hairstyle. Then lightly draw the outline of the hair. Notice the parting of the top, center and the way the hair falls around the face. Don't worry about the details, we are just setting the shape. Now let's add more definition to the hair strand. Starting from the parting, draw long flowing lines to indicate the main sections of the hair. Observe how the hair curves and flows naturally. This step is about capturing the movement and volume of the hair. To add depth and dimension, draw additional lines within the main sections of the hair. These lines represent layers and individual strands. Vary the pressure on your pencil to create thicker and thinner lines, giving the hair a more realistic look. Now refine the details by adding more strands and emphasizing the curves. Pay attention to the ends of the hair, making them slightly wavy and tapered. This will give the hair a softer and more natural appearance. To give the hair dimension, add shading. Identify the area where the light hits and where shadows fall. Use a soft pencil to shade the darker areas and blend the edges to create a smooth transition. Leave some areas lighter to represent highlights, enhancing the overall realism. Finally, take a step back and look at your drawing. Once you are happy with your drawing, sign your name at the bottom if you want. And there you have it, a beautifully drawn hairstyle. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. See you next time. Happy drawing.